Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or modify the email address that is associated with your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select Account Center. Underneath account settings, you want to select versus personal details. So if you want to change your email, just select versus contact info. Select your email listed in here, and it'll give you the option to insert a new email address. You will need to verify that with the new email address, so you get a verification code sent to your email. And that's pretty much all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.